How does easement by estoppel impact your property? Have you ever wondered how someone else could end up using your property without your formal permission? This is where the concept of easement by estoppel comes into play. It can significantly affect your property rights, and understanding it is essential to avoid complications. An easement by estoppel occurs when your actions or statements lead someone to believe they have the right to use your land. If that person relies on this belief and makes changes or investments based on it, they may gain a legal right to use your property, even without a written agreement. Imagine you allow a neighbor to use your driveway verbally. If they start using it regularly and even build a small structure that slightly crosses onto your land, you may find it difficult to revoke that permission later. This can limit your control over your property and create disputes that could have been avoided. Common mistakes related to easement by estoppel include not documenting agreements in writing. When you allow someone to use your land informally, it can lead to unintended easements. Many people do not realize that even a simple verbal permission can create binding rights if the other party reasonably relies on it. Another mistake is overlooking how long an easement by estoppel might last. It can remain in effect indefinitely, especially if the other party has made significant investments based on your permission. This means you could be stuck with a situation that you did not intend. To avoid these pitfalls, always use written agreements when granting permission for land use. Be cautious about what you say or do regarding your property. If you want to revoke permission, communicate clearly and promptly to avoid misunderstandings. Before purchasing property, conduct title searches and seek legal advice to identify any existing easements by estoppel or other encumbrances. This proactive approach can save you from future disputes and loss of control over your property. Easement by estoppel can sometimes become a permanent arrangement depending on the circumstances. It serves to protect individuals who have acted in good faith based on your conduct. Understanding this concept can help you navigate property ownership disputes and maintain control over your land.